Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate survey data collection with SoGoSurvey. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To automate survey data collection with SoGoSurvey, start by logging into your SoGoSurvey account. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for a free trial on their website. Once logged in, click on the Create Survey button to begin. Choose a template that fits your needs or select a blank survey to start from scratch. After selecting a template, customize your survey by adding or editing questions. Use various question types, such as multiple choice, open-ended, or rating scales, to gather the data you need. Once your questions are set, navigate to the Settings tab. In the Settings tab, enable the Survey Automation option. Next, explore the automation settings to set the data collection parameters you desire. You can specify when to send out the survey, who will receive it, and which reminders to send based on user behavior. To integrate your survey with email, select your preferred email service in the integration options. You can also set up automated follow-ups to ensure maximum response rates. After configuring your automation settings, preview your survey to ensure everything looks correct. Once satisfied, click on the Launch button to begin your automated data collection. Share the survey link with your target audience through email or social media. As responses come in, monitor the data in real time through the Analytics dashboard. You can view insights, export data, and generate reports directly from the platform. Regularly check the automated settings to refine your survey based on response rates and feedback. Following these steps will streamline your survey data collection process with SoGoSurvey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.